Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's analyze the Nifty bank chart for the next week to find out important levels. Along with that, I will give some important update which came this week and some important news coming from FOMC meet. So let's discuss all to know the Nifty bank level. Stay connected till then and smash the like button. Subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's start the video with important news coming from FOMC meeting. Then I will go for next update. So first of all, the FOMC meet outcome is that US Fed holds the rate at the same 3.5 to 3.75%. That means no cut happened this in this meeting. कोई रेट कट नहीं हुआ है इवन फ्रॉम द फेड रिजर्व एंड the American central bank decided to hold the same rate of 3.5 to 3.75%. So that is important outcome from the FOMC meeting, and then we will discuss some important update which is coming from NSE IPO. Yes, the SEBI has given NOC to the NSE IPO, and now NSE can file for the IPO. So this is the very most awaiting, I will say, the awaiting IPO from the NSE. BSE already listed, and now the NSE is going to launch their IPO. So this is very important IPO, and I will definitely update with the more information when it will come. So keep your notification on to get all the update important data from coming from the FISDI's selling and buying, and that is also a thumbs up, a good news from the FIIs. They have actually bought on the Friday around 2,200 crores on Friday I'm talking, and this is a good sign, positive sign for the Indian stock market that FIIs at least on Friday they have bought, and DIs actually sold a very small quantity of 600 crore. So both profit booking is imminent. So TIs has booked their profit and FIIs started we can say they have bought on Friday. So this is also a thumbs up to Indian stock market that FII started buying, and these important update. Now I will go for the Nifty bank chart analysis, and I have drawn these lines, and you can see on the chart. I will discuss in detail that what all happening last week and what can be the scenario, what may be the scenario for the next week. And you can see this line, this trend line, even I have drawn last week also, the same trend line which is giving a very good support. So what happened last week, you can see this I have discussed till here. Yes, because Monday was 26th January was holiday. So till here it was very very negative candle from the last week, and it was like here it took a support of 58,300 around. It took support two times, and it was this candle was very alarming, but you can see it has touched this trend line and taken a support, और यहाँ से it has given a very very strong movement, very strong candle on, we can say, Tuesday, the starting day of the week, Tuesday, and it has a good given a good movement and taken a support, not broken this trend line which I made last week. इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर करेंगे तो this was my last week support. If like we do like this, you can see here also. So this was actually support taken once here, then again taken here, and here even low is opened from here, went down, then again after opening went down, and then again given a very very good move towards the 20 EMA. This blue line is 20 EMA, taken a resistance here and closed below the 20 EMA. This happened on Tuesday. This is the whole analysis of this candle only on Tuesday. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेके नीचे क्लोज हुआ, जो कि दिस वाज शोइंग a strong resistance even before. You can see here, if you draw a line, you can see 1 2 3, even 4 days, 4 days continuously it has taken resistance here on the 20 EMA, below the 20 EMA line, below the 20 EMA line, yes. And on Wednesday, 28 January, opened gap up, like you can see here, 20 EMA के ऊपर ही open हो गया Nifty Bank, and went touched the support of the 20 EMA, and then even closed above the 20 EMA. So this candle was a good sign, positive sign, because it opened above the 20 EMA, closed above the 20 EMA, and it looks like, we can say, hammer. So this candle gives actually positive sign of good movement. और यहाँ पे यू कैन सी, इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे इसने अच्छी अच्छी क्लोजिंग दी 20 EMA के ऊपर, which was actually on Tuesday, Wednesday was showing positive sign. And the next day you can see this candle, this is also a very very strong candle, and again it has taken this resistance. So that's why I drawn this trend line. You can see this trend line, and you can zoom it out, and you can see how once here, then again here, then here, and then again here taken resistance, and even here again also it is taking resistance at this trend line, which is actually, this is all time high, and slightly down. And you can see how many time it is taking resistance here, which is actually, I can say, अगर last Friday का देखें तो this is 59,900, or we can say that 60,000 around, roughly 60,000 के आसपास लास्ट फ्राइडे इसने रेजिस्टेंस लिया. सो दिस ट्रेंड लाइन गिविंग अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस टू बैंक निफ्टी, और ये अब सपोर्ट बन गया है दिस 20 EMA नाउ, फॉर एटलीस्ट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म. Like you can see 1 2 3 3 days totally here, you can see 3 days how beautifully it has taken support of 20 EMA, which is, अगर मैं बोलूँ लेवल्स में, तो 59,400, 59,400. Now last week taken support, the Nifty Bank has taken support at 59,400, which is actually 20 EMA भी है. सो ओवरऑल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस एनालिसिस. ये पूरा लास्ट वीक का है, 1 2 3 4, एंड उसके पहले तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द ओवरऑल फॉल, 1 2 3 4 5 होल वीक इट वाज फॉलिंग. ऑल टाइम हाई से कैलकुलेट करूँ तो फ्रॉम ATH टू दिस लेवल ऑफ 58,300 अराउंड, it is overall, it has given a 3.5 around percent fall, means 3.5% का fall Nifty Bank already has given from all time high to the level it has taken a support. You can see 1 2 3 times. So means this trend line is a support, and till here it is 3.5, around 3.5% fall. From here it has given a very good recovery, taken a very good reversal. Here of course it is taking resistance, but still looking positive for the next week. As you all know, for the next week you have to keep close watch on budget. Even budget is coming on 1st of February, or this is a very important event for the stock market, and this may give actually a good movement. I can say you can keep watch, you can focus on important sector like railway sector, defense sector, and renewable energy sector, or especially railway may this time should be something good, because last time it did not happen. So this time the railway sector is expecting, so you can keep focus on the important stock from the railways. Like this is not any recommendation, but you can keep these stock in your watch list, like RVNL, IRCON, and this IRFC. So all these railway stock can give a good movement if something good is coming from the railway sector. So keep watch on the railway sector and defense sector. Already we can expect a good announcement from the budget. और ये तो निफ्टी बैंक ऑलरेडी मूवमेंट दे चुका है. So yes, Nifty 50 ka level and everything, global market, gold and silver, metal, these all these important information I'm going to discuss on Sunday video tomorrow. Please keep your notification on so that you get notification for this important video of Nifty 50 levels, gold silver levels, and global market updates. So watch Sunday video also. Here we come. This resistance is very important. If Nifty bank breaking this resistance, first of all, this will go to the all-time high of 60,430 around. The all-time high इसका यही है, 430 है. तो 60,430 पे जाएगा first of all. After breaking this resistance, then we can discuss the next level. Let first reach uh, here, then we'll update about the next level in next video. Definitely I will update. So keep watch on this resistance of all time high level. Because of budget, it is possible that Nifty Bank go beyond the all time also. So you have to watch. And अगर इसके ऊपर जाता है तो उसका next level I have given already in my फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ द ईयर इन जनवरी. सो वो उसका इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस है जो कि तोड़ने के बाद वो आगे जा सकता है. सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन वॉच द फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ द 2026 which is already uploaded. Nifty bank level for the next week, if we see important support 58,400. After breaking this support of 59,400, and important resistance is 60,000. Breaking this, it will take to all time high of 60,430. This was important analysis of the Nifty bank. And like and share with your friend and subscribe the channel for stock market update